Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix app storage not downloading apps. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see, I'm trying to download any app. Type it. As you can see, it's not downloading. So how to fix it? First of all, open settings and scroll down. Type on general, and here is the date and time. So turn it on 24 hours and set automatically. Both of these turn on. Now go back and open App Store. Now type on profile icon and type on Apple ID profile. Here is country region, type it. Type on change country region. Select your country. Type agree. So here is the payment method. You have to select add none. Type here formalities. You can type fake one. Some countries will ask you for the zip code. You can search on Google by your city name, phone number. You can put as a formality. Tap on next. That's it. So now try to download app. As you can see, app is downloading right now. So type your password. So if you are facing any problem, tell me in the comments. Do subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.